There you have it, episode 1, season 2. Now, basically what season 2 is just me going for another round of this 90-day challenge. I just needed to get a couple of days to like get my bearings together and think about it and sleep on it, and see how I can push it to be bigger and better. First step was investing in a vlogging camera, and I just picked up the Canon M50. I got the whole kit, so links in the description if you like the quality and you want to pick it up yourself. Just grab you a set, and I've been amazed by this so far. And next thing, I updated my editor, so looking to produce more high quality content. Also gonna design more training programs for my coaches and my athletes. Also gonna give you my insights and perspectives on entrepreneurship and personal development, mindset, movement, nutrition, recovery practices that'll get you your results in physical health, mental health, and business health. All right, so thank you for watching. Now, this is a community channel, which means like you guys let me know what you guys want me to cover. If I don't know the answer, I'll go in search of it. This is a documentary sort of a style where I'm taking you behind the scenes through my thoughts, my words, my actions, all of it. So let me know if you have any questions, thoughts, or concerns, let me know and I'll try to answer them the best of my abilities. If you also want to add some value, hit me up in the email. Got my email down below. You can reach me on my website, theseasonlife.com. And yeah, let's continue to grow this channel, build this community, this tribe, and get this money. All right? Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and take action, my friends. Peace.